Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 4 of this layered art. And if you're not into this, I apologize, and if you're bored, just don't watch it. But I've got this 3 layers. I've got a back layer, which is blue, then I've got a green layer, then I've got a red layer on top. No, the red layer is actually on top, and the green's on top of that. So that's what it's going to look like in layers of wood. So I thought I'd show how I did this. I'm going to take both these, and I'm going to left click, right click, and I am going to just completely back up. See if it'll let me take away the contour, break curve apart, go up to arrange, break curve apart. Okay, so this is where we were last off when we started. So what you need to do, if you've got the 2 layers, this is your 2 different layers. This one, you can see, has got a little more space, so this is our thicker contour. And we're going to smart fill that in, and we're going to lower it down. We're going to left click, right click. We're going to bring in the contour tool. We're going to contour. Well, it'll maybe make it a little bit too big, but that's going to be good. Now for the video, I'm going to delete some of these little bitty facets. They'd be cool. You need to go to Arrange, Break Contour Apart. Click on it again, go to Arrange, Break Curve Apart. We just don't need these because they would just kind of fall by the wayside. I actually must have moved them down. So we've got that contour done. Let's move this one out of the way completely. Let's put this one in the center of the page now. Whoop, wasn't grouped together. So I hit G, which is a hotkey for me. Now we just need this contour. And we're going to nudge it up. Well, we need to Control D and make a duplicate. Then we need to nudge it up. Control D and nudge it down. So now I'm going to contour this one. I'm going to go 0.02. It's going to make it a little bit thick, but that's fine. And I'm going to do it in red, so I'll be able to see it. And so I've got a red contour. Go up to Arrange, Break Contour Apart, click on it, go up to Arrange, Break Curve Apart, and once again we're going to get rid of these little bitty facets that we don't really need. Now we can get rid of this contour because that's this one down here. So let's nudge them kind of closer together. Now let's take the Smart Fill tool and let's fill this in with green. Let's get the red and fill this in with red. And put this one on. Well, remember we got Smart Fill, so let's move them out of the way and keep our frame because that's what you're actually going to use to cut. And there, what I said, the contour was a little bit too big, and I'm not dead on with it. Okay, now we are. The contour is a little bit too big in the red, but you get the idea. Now let's take this one. Don't delete it because you're going to need it. Let's press P and hit it in the center of the page. Put this one in the center of the page. And that's your 3 layers of wood again. Now I made the red a little bit too thick, but you see red all the way around, and the green's the next layer, and then your red is your next layer. So you would just continue that, or hopefully I won't have time tonight, but we'll start playing with the interior now and doing something similar to this person's picture in a way. I'm way off from that, but you get the idea. So we've got 3 layers built. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.